The pronunciation of the letters O, E, and U is straightforward for most people who speak English. However, pronouncing well the equivalent letters seems to be a challenge for many people learning French. In this video, I want to help you understand how to correctly pronounce them in French. Among the three of them, the letter O is pronounced the same way in both English and French. The mouth is opened 100%. In French, however, what English calls the letter E is called O. It's like opening the mouth to pronounce O in a 25 to 30% fashion, O. When it comes to the letter U in English, its equivalent in French is actually not pronounced U. Whenever the sound U is pronounced in French, it is a combination of letters O and U. Exemple. Où est la Tour Eiffel? C'est à Paris ou à Bruxelles? C'est à Paris. Tu es sûr? Bien sûr. Je suis sûr. How then should the letter pronounced U in English be called in French? This is a very critical point in this video. Stay with me. It is a good time to subscribe to this channel. The pronunciation of U is actually unique to French. It's a product of articulating three consecutive letters E together in English. It is E. And naturally speaking, it links to the letter Q in English. The equivalent in French is like joining K to three consecutive letters E to say qui. Exemple. Qui c'est? C'est Emmanuel Macron de la France. Et ici, c'est qui? C'est Donald Trump des États-Unis. Et là, c'est Vladimir Putin de la Russie? Non. C'est pas lui. C'est Mark Carney du Canada? Ah non, c'est Keir Starmer, le Premier ministre britannique.